Welcome to G503 TV Tech Clips. In this video, we'll be installing the side curtain sockets, part number FM95705S or WOA3051. These are the snaps made by Joe's Motor Pool, and they're installed on the side of your vehicle so a side curtain can be installed. The tool that comes provided in the kit, and as you see here, I've taken a marker and I've measured 1/4 of an inch back, and that's about the distance you're going to want to knock that in inevitably to get it to seat. 3/16 to 1/4 is perfect. I'm using a soft and hard-faced rubber mallet. It's not a heavy one. I believe this is only like 12 ounces. I've used this for quite a few things over the years. It's going to work perfect. There are 7 sockets per side for the driver's side and the passenger side, total of 14, and they just simply insert into the holes like this. Just give them a push with your thumb and they'll go right in. Now I've got some fresh paint on here, so it's a little difficult, but I'm glad because they're kind of snug. I'm going to go ahead here and put the rest of them in. I'm going to put all 7 on the side here. I know I'm just zoomed in here on the bottom 3, that's so I can give you a good angle and show you how the tool works. I'm going to start out with my hammer here on the soft rubber side. You can use just a soft rubber mallet. Just give them a little tap. You don't have to hit them hard. And what you're trying to do is get them flush to the body tub here. It's very simple, little light taps. In the whole installation process, that's the whole key. You really don't want to hit these too hard. That's when you're going to damage them. Now notice here I've got the tool inserted into the socket, and I'm going to push it tight up against the disc there. And I'm using the hard side now. I'm just going to give it a couple of taps until that blue line is lined up where I had marked it earlier, and it's going to be just about perfect. I'll show you here from the side. You can see a little bit better again. You hold it in, take the cap, compress the spring, and just give it a couple light taps to seat it. Don't hit it hard. If you push the spring or the cap too far down in, you will have ruined the fastener. I'll do this last top one here, and then we'll get back on the back side of the vehicle, and I'll show you here the underneath side of what it will look like from the back as that X, as I spoke of in the beginning of the video, is now pushed out, and that is permanently installed into the body tub. These kits are available at Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts, and last, I'll give you a shot here from the outside, show you exactly where these go. Fantastic. Thank you for watching Team G503.